Hello to all visualization enthusiasts. After the last video on overlay functionality, this video is all about visualization styles. Visualization styles are used to quickly and easily adapt visualizations to different requirements. We select already existing styles here in the Visualization Manager and then use them. We can change or create styles using the Visualization Style Editor. Let's take a closer look at how this works and how we can create our own visualization style. To do this, we first select a style that already heads in the right direction and then select Copy and Edit Style here in the context menu of the flash icon. Using an existing style and then adapting it as desired is, by the way we recommend. In the following dialog, we then specify the path under which we want to create the new style, and with confirming, the Visualization Style Editor opens. We can then describe the style in more detail, for example, by entering our company name, a style name, and a version number. And here we can also see from which base style the current style is derived and which minimum Visu version is required. In the tab Style Properties, we can see all entries belonging to the style. For example, under Colors, the style colors, which are always defined by name, an associated color value, and here also for which elements they are used. And of course, we can also easily define new colors using this button, just as we can do for the fonts down here. So the next section offers us the possibility to adapt or replace already existing images, and most important, to add our own images to the visualization style. It is especially useful to use vector graphics here, such as SVG files, in order to be able to scale them without loss later on. In the arbitrary value section, values can be set for certain Visu elements. For example, we can use this entry to specify that if a button has text, the text should not be displayed completely left aligned, but with a defined distance to the edge of the button. With another entry, we can change the basic style properties by changing this value. And which values are possible can be found in the CODESYS online help at helpme-codesys.com. And if we simply search for the term visualization styles, we get a detailed list of all entries and their possible values under entries in the visualization style, also structured by fonts, colors, and so on here. And then we also see the possible values for the entry style. So, all right, when we have created all entries according to our ideas and have finished customizing our visualization style with it, we save the new visualization style via this button and install it into the system repository at the same time, which we reach via the tool menus up here, by the way. So from this point on, the style will be available to us via the drop-down menu after we have reopened the Visualization Manager, and we can select it directly here. Since we haven't made any changes, well, nothing changes in our example now, of course. But for new elements, we see right away that for the configuration, for example, all colors defined in the style are available to us. And it also makes sense to use these instead of freely definable colors. The advantage of this is that if changes need to be made later, the style color only needs to be changed at one central point, namely the Visu style, and is then automatically updated throughout the entire project. The same applies to the fonts used. The entries from the visualization style can simply be used in the text properties. And of course, the graphics used in the visualization styles, such as for buttons, are also available to us here in the visualization toolbox. Excellent. So in this video, we learned how to create, customize, and use visualization styles, allowing us to easily and quickly adapt the look and feel of our visualizations to changing needs. In the next video, we'll then take a look at how we can implement language switching in the CODESYS visualization. Until then, have fun creating your visualizations. See you in the next clip.